Hello dear friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. So today is lifestyle video. I'm going to share with you how to make soy milk, like organic soy milk. This channel I share about like lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, how to flawless skin without using any toxic ingredients. And I'm also passionate about growing our crowns and how to take care of your natural hair. So friends, there are a lot of things that you can look for on this channel. So I appreciate you so much for subscribing. And if you are not on my channel, my name is Dorcas. Yes, so make sure that you watch this video until to the end. Like, it stays so nice. So you need some soya beans. As you can see, these are organic soya beans and this is how they look like. So learning how to make soy milk is funny and enriching and a lot easier than you might think. So this preservative free and additive free homemade soy milk works great for drinking, culturing, or making tofu. So, friends, like even the leftover fiber, which is called okara, in some languages, and it can be dried or frozen for use in cooking or as a fertilizer. So, homemade milk has slightly grassy flavor compared to soy milk bought commercially. So, here is exactly how to make soy milk at home. So, I've added some water just to wash it, from all dirty and debris that may be there. And after that, we are going to drain that water. And then I'm going to, before that, like the chaff will be coming up as you can see. So it will be very easy, like they'll come out on their own, or you can just peel them using your hands, like rubbing in your hands, and then they'll start coming out. So that is the chaff like coming up as you can see. So you need to exercise some kind of patience. So I left it overnight and it's been 24 hours. Like our beans, soya beans have expanded as you can see, and it's easy clean after, because I rinsed out, and then added some more water. So that is how it looks like. So at this point I'm going to rinse it and then I'm going to blend it in a blender. So soy milk is a great alternative to animal milk. It's delicious. It can be made at home affordably and easily. And it's so simple. Just soybeans and water. Of course, we would like to do all kinds of funny things with soy milk, like make dairy-free yogurt or tofu. But it's also fantastic just to drink it. So at this point, I'm putting it in a blender. Make sure that you blend it, and then that is how it looks like. Then I'm going to add in about 100 grams of our water, clean water, friends, because you don't want any microbials, because this is going to go in the body. So it needs to be very clean. We need to be meticulous about cleanness. So that is how it looks like after blending. So at this point you can use a micellar, or you can use a cheesecloth, whatever gadget you have, but I think a cheesecloth can work well, but even a strainer if you don't have a cheesecloth. So make sure that you press against the strainer so that more content can come out, so that the soy milk can come out. And you need to exercise some patience, friends. So I never wanted like to touch it with my hands. I wanted everything to be perfect. So of course, like you can do whatever you want to do, or you can add some sugar, but I didn't want to add any sugar. So like I mentioned earlier on, you have to make sure that you soak your beans, the soybeans, overnight with 2 or 3 cups of water. This will soften the soybeans and get them ready for blending. And make sure that you discard the water and rinse the soybeans, because we want to get rid of any dairy and the contaminants that were on the beans themselves. So you also remove the skins can be removed, just rubbing, like I said, underwater, then release skin will float to the top and can be skimmed off. So don't worry if you get them in, or blend the beans will release all the soy nutrition. So like I continue pressing, after blending it smoothly. But of course my blender didn't work well. I think it's high time I look into another powerful blender. Yes, friends. So like continue pressing. Yes, so comment in the section below and subscribe to our channel if you haven't. So that is how our soy milk looks like. It looks perfect and nutritious. Just look at that, friends. Look at that. Wow, that is beautiful. So after straining now, we are going to put it on heat. Yes, so put it on heat, the strained milk in a like heavy bottom pan or a pot, and make sure that you hold the temperature for at least 20 minutes, like stirring frequently to prevent sticking. Yes, and make sure that you cool the milk and you store. This is an important step since legume soy can't be consumed raw, and you can store it in the refrigerator for 4 days. So at this point, we've put it on fire and I'm stirring, as you can see, so the chaff like is coming up, as you can see. Just look at that, friends. So it's been actually 20 minutes and we've removed it from the heat. So at this point, we are going to strain. So you can actually choose just to scoop the chaff while it is on the fire, but I just did it my own way. So at this point, I'm straining. As you can see, the chaff will be left in your strainer or in a cheesecloth. That is if you use a cheesecloth. So you need to exercise some patience, like you need to press gently so that you don't introduce the chaff into the final soy milk. So friends, like I said earlier on, I'm just going to add one additive. Like I didn't want to go in with so many additives. Of course, you can use some cocoa powder and a little sweetener while your soy milk is hot, or you can blend the soy milk with fruit of your choice, or you can blend with cinnamon. So whatever you feel like, and add a sweetener like honey, agave, or maple syrup, or you can actually add a splash of vanilla. So I've just added a splash of vanilla there, and then we're going to give it a stir. So friends, like it tastes so nice and the smell is so perfect from vanilla. So homemade soy milk is a great alternative for milk for making yogurt. You can also use it for making homemade tofu or non-dairy yogurt recipes. So at this point, we are super excited because our so nutritious milk is ready at this point. So we are just transferring it in a glass bowl. So that is how it looks like, friends. Like it's so perfect and nutritious. So comment in the section below if you have tried out soy milk or if you are going to try it. I would love to hear from you. So that is our final soy milk. It looks perfect and lovely and it's so tasty. Yes, friends. So we are happy. I'm going to be, making this over and over. Yes, so that is our final product, friends. Give this video a like, give this video a thumbs up. Some vanilla essence like smells very good and tastes very good. So you can actually customize it. You can even add some syrup or some honey or whatever, but I didn't want to add more. I didn't want more additives, so I just went for vanilla essence to make it simple. Yes, but yes, so nutritious. Friends, subscribe to our channel. This means a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Comment in the section below if you have tried out, soy milk. Yes, so thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video.